Hello, welcome to a special edition of Gardening with Brad Ross. Today we're just going to check out some of the bamboos we've got. This is the painted bamboo. As you can see, when I bought it, it went into stress, so I've cut it all the way back. All new shoots coming out. Should start popping up soon. We also transported a large slender weaver. I've cut that right back. New shoot popping out already. Shouldn't take long, it'll be back to 4 or 5 meters again. Yeah, we'll put in some more work in this garden very soon. Alright, coming through the garage. Excuse the mess. It's my propagating bay. All plants I've cut from the garden, all work in progress. Ooh, my favourite, the black bamboo. It's going really nicely here. We've got some new shoots coming up. This one's invasive, so it stays in the pot. Got 2 of them. No, they're going really well. Alright, to the main area, the Asian garden. Alright, first one's the Buddha Valley. This one's a battler, it's been here full sun. No shoots yet, it's only really a month, 2 months old. Main one's over the back, slender weaver. They're going really good. You can see. Yeah, we're about probably 3.5, some 4 meters high. All shooting. That one there's something I'm trying at the moment. That's a painted bamboo. See if I can get it to grow from its cuttings. This bamboo is doing really well. This is the Alfonso car. It's only really put in as a feature just in the Zen part of the garden there. But no, that's doing really well. Had about, 3 shoots this year, full sun, plenty of wind. It's actually in a pot in the ground, just so I can control it a bit. Over here, this one is China Gold. That's just a cutting. Moscow, don't eat the bamboo. Moscows. A few more cuttings of the painted bamboo. This one here's the Ghost. This is just a cutting as well I got. That's going really well. We'll probably plant that in a couple of weeks once it cools down. Now this plant I got for a bargain. That's China Gold. Swapped it out because it's a bit more mature. That one's really nice. Alright, what else? Yes, the Timor Black. Come around the back here. You saw the other day. This one here we'll have to keep an eye on in this area. It's got a new shoot coming out. Yeah, it's my favourite. But we'll keep an eye on this one because it'll get pretty big if I don't watch it. But hopefully it grows in these conditions. Moscow, what are you doing? Just coming into the rest of the yard. Hey Russia. There's the puppies. Now it's looking really good at the moment, the lawn. Turf's coming back. It's the entry to the garden. Here's part of the other deal I got the other day was this Timor Black. I don't know how it's going to go in this area. It's a part shade sort of area. It's quite windy, but it's either that or die in a pot. We saved it. Hopefully it takes off. We'll see. This area here is where the Ghost bamboo is going to go. So where the timbers are, that garden's going to actually come out a little bit. Stretch the garden a bit, get a bit more garden and space in here. Other than that, it's all going very, very well. If you've got any questions about bamboo or any of the palms, flick us a message. Yeah, we'll just take you through the Asian garden again, and this is sort of what we got. Shout out to my gardening coach, Terence Hodkinson. He cannot promote bamboo enough. He loves it. So yeah, props to Terence. He loves monoculture, Terence.